Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cartoon toad. It's going to be for beginners, for, step-by-step for beginners, for anybody that just doesn't draw that much or really hasn't drawn. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to be using this marker. It's a Crayola brand magic marker. So let's get into the drawing. Let me draw your attention and watch it all the way through, and then let's get started. So I'm going to start with a C curve on this side. And it's gonna be one side of the frog's face, another one on the other side. One eye. Another eye. And these are all very similar types of curves. Inside of an eye. Inside of an eye here. It's gonna be a little, again, tombstone shapes. I always say that. Drawing the black part of the pupil on both sides. Like he's looking that way to the right. Let's see, it looks a little odd. The mouth. Pulling down for the arm. Pulling down on this side. One finger, two finger, three finger on one hand. Pulls up. Pulling down. One finger, two finger, three finger. Across the stomach. Another, like I said, very simple U shapes there, or like C curves. Foot out. Foot out, foot out. See all the toes. There's gonna be a color change as well. You can draw this part or not, but with a thinner line, for very light, draw lines here and below the mouth. And that's for the color change, the color variation in that character. And if you also, don't forget, 2 dots for the nostril. One last thing I like to do, and I always do this, is I make a thicker line around the contour. That gives it a sticker look that I really enjoy. Sticker look. Anyways, thank you guys. If there's an animal, this is by request. If there's an animal that I have not drawn here, please request it. Request it. I want to get every animal in the animal kingdom in cartoon form. So excuse me. I hope that was simple and easy to follow. If it was, click that like button so I know what to put more of. And also comment, just say hi to me even. I just love talking to people on here, and it's very entertaining for me, and I love doing it. So I reply to every single comment. Thank you guys, I appreciate everything you guys have done for me. One last thing, if you love to draw cartoons, go check out my ebook on drawing cute things. And so the idea is that cute things have a certain proportion, there's a certain look to them, and I gave, I'm giving you an ebook. It is 10 pages on how to do that. So that ebook is completely free if you go down to the link below, and it is only temporarily free. I might turn it into a product later on. But for everyone who said already great things about it, thank you so much. For everyone who's already seen it, and I do hope that you have a great drawing journey. Excuse me. One last thing, don't forget to check out Arteza if you are serious about, going into art or practicing your art. You need serious colored pencils, and what this is for is these are good quality pencils. There's so much junk that I've tried where you go to the store, you go to Target, you just go to anywhere, and that tends to be really The stuff at the store tends to be not that good. They don't blend well. You can't see them on the page. There's no vibrancy to it. So I had to turn to Arteza. Arteza's stuff is extremely vibrant. It Also, they last longer, which is like much more than I can say for other pencils. And it is just they combine and they merge. The colors blend 10 times better, and you'll realize that it is such a big deal. If you are into art, do that. If you are doing all the stuff all the time and you do want to color, I recommend this as a coloring starting coloring tool anyway. If you don't, that's fine. You don't need to. Just buy the stuff at the store. If you're not super, you don't really draw that much. But like I said, if you do and you want to make it like more drawing in the future, go to the link below. I have a link to their store. Check all their stuff out. You don't have to buy this giant set. They have smaller sets. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you guys being with me as usual. So have a beautiful art day, guys. See you later.